Hi, in this lesson we will study about PHP validation. Consider the same login form. The form contains front-end validation code. We have created login script.php file which will receive the data from the login form. Add action and method attribute to form tag. Connection is saved in common.php file. So we have used require statement on the top. The data will be sent to the page by post method. So email variable will contain user email. In PHP, pattern is used to validate user data as we have done in HTML5 validation. We have stored the pattern in regex_email variable. PReg_match is the function used for validation with pattern. This function takes pattern as first parameter and the string as second parameter. The string will be matched against the pattern. This will return true if the string matches the pattern. We have added not PReg_match inside the if loop. This means if the string fails to match the pattern, it should enter into this loop and display incorrect email. There are patterns in PHP for numbers, URL, name, etc. We can use PReg_match function for all of them. The pattern depends on the requirements of the form fields. Now for password, we want to check the string should have at least 6 characters. So we have used string length function to get the length. If the length is less than that of 6 characters, the echo statement will execute. We will use MySQLi real escape string before we insert the data into the database. Now, when we find there is mismatch between the required data and the data received from the user have to fill the field again. So inside the if statement, we will not echo anything. We have used header function. Inside header, we have written the name of the page along with some get attribute which we will pass to index.php page. This will be the message that will be displayed to the user. These two div elements will show the message if there is any email_error or password_error message in the URL. This is the simplest way to show the error message with PHP. So, in this lesson, we have submitted the form, checked for the correct data, and shown the error messages to user to let them know what is wrong with the input data. That's it about backend validation in PHP. Thank you.